Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you best two apps to make PDF file on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply scroll down like so. Then I will go to my Play Store right here. So I'm going to simply open up my Play Store. Then have you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply click on search from the bottom side right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search apps and games. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to type in FeeFlat. Then click on search. Then it take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, over 10 million plus have successfully downloaded this app. So you can see it right here. What you need to do is to simply download and install the app. So you can see right here, I have already installed the app. Let me quickly show you on how to use the app to make PDF file. So I'm going to exit from my Play Store right here. Then I have the apps already installed on my phone, just like so. And FeeFlat. I have the app. All right, so look at the app right here. So I'm going to simply open it up, just like so. Then, just like so, after you open up the app, it takes you just like this. Then you need to position your documents and make sure everything was captured. Then click on here to snap. Just click on this particular icon right here to make a picture. Then once you make a picture, then you can from here create your PDF. So I'm going to snap again. So I was able to snap about 2. So having made a picture of the document, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. You can see the preview of the picture. Okay, next thing you need to do is to simply click on create PDF. That's going to take you right here. Then from this point right here, you can color mode. You can change the color, you can increase the quality, and then you can leave it in high. And from the top right here, you can simply change the name of the file. So I'm going to simply click on here and rename it my DOC PDF. Then click on OK. Next thing we want to do is to simply come down below here and click on Create PDF. Creating a PDF file, boom, very simple and straightforward. This same PDF here, you can print it, you can share on Bluetooth, you can share on chat. You can click on here to see more way to simply share the file. You can also click on open file right here and then open it with different types of PDF formats you have on your phone. So this is the first one here. Let's take a look at the second one I have for you. So I will head over back to my Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then on getting to my Play Store, this time around, I'm going to simply search for Microsoft Lens. Then click on search. Now we have it right here. As at the time of making this video, over 50 million plus have downloaded and installed this app. After you successfully download and install it, simply click on open and it's going to load up just like so. One thing about this Microsoft Lens is that you need to create a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, simply create a free one. So after you create the free account, you will be taken to the scan page section right here where you need to scan your document. As you can see right here, it automatically detects where you need to capture. Then I'm going to simply snap. And in a few seconds, everything has snapped and crop the right area that need to be cropped. So you can also adjust like so. Once you're satisfied with the result, next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm and it takes you right here. Then next thing you can do here is to simply click on done and it takes you right here. Make sure you are in a default of PDF, and also you can rename your content. You can rename your document from the top right here, and then simply click on save. Go, and you have your PDF file right here, just like what you see on the screen of this video. It's as simple as that. So These are the best two apps to make a PDF file on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.